Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class question number 10. Find the numbers of all onto functions from the set 1, 2, 3 up to n to itself. Okay. You have to find number of all onto functions. Okay. Therefore here given set question number 10. Here set 1, 2, 3, 4, up to n. Here you have to find the number of all onto function. You have to check for onto function how many terms here given. You have to take the number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Therefore you have to take n factorial. Okay, if you the given set is 1, 2, 3, therefore you have to take 3 factorial. Okay, 3 factorial का मतलब here you have to take 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Therefore here it is my onto number of onto. Okay, next the given set is suppose 1, 2. Okay, therefore you will take 2 factorial. 2 factorial is nothing but you have to 2 into 1. From that number 2 you have to reduce up to 1. Therefore here 2 into 1 you will get 2. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 10. Next question number 11. Let S is equal to A, B, C and T equal to 1, 2, 3. Find F inverse of the function F from to S to T if it is exist. Okay, my question 11. Capital S is equal to A, B, C. Okay, T equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, for inverse you have to satisfy two conditions. Okay, bijective, simply you have to satisfy bijective function. Bijective का मतलब here you have to satisfy 1 1 function and onto function. If you satisfy both 1 1 and onto, it is bijective. If it is bijective, then here it is possible to find inverse. Okay, let us check. For subdivision 1, my function f is equal to a, 3, b, 2, c, 1. Okay, therefore my set S and T. Okay, here 1 for S, here A, B, C. For T, here 1, 2, 3. Okay, my function is here A, B. Therefore it is pre-image. It is my image. Therefore A has 1, 3 here. Okay, sorry, here 3. It is my image for A. For B, here 2 is my image. For C, 1 is my image. Therefore here for checking 1 1 function or not, you have to check the domain. Okay, in domain every pre-image has its own image. Therefore here it is 1 1 function. Okay, for checking whether it is onto function or not, here you have to check the code domain. Okay, for checking 1 1 you have to check the domain for checking onto, you have to check codomain. Okay, in the codomain, every pre-images has its own pre-image. Therefore, here it is onto function. Okay, simply here one should have 1 to 1. Every term in the domain should be filled. Okay, here it is filled. For onto, here in the codomain, every term should has filled. Okay, one also has the pre-image A, 2 also has pre-image B, C, here 1 has the pre-image C. Therefore, here it is onto. Okay, then inverses exist. The inverse is here nothing but here A comma 3. Therefore, you have to write 3 comma A. It is my inverse. Next, 2 comma B, 1 comma C. Okay, here it is my inverse function. Okay, I hope you all understood. Next, subdivision 2. F is equal to A comma 2, B comma 1, C comma 1. Therefore, here my S and T, A, B, C, here. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. Okay, here A pre-image, 2 image. Okay, A has image 2. Okay, B has image 1, C also has the image 1. Therefore, for checking 1 function, you have to see the domain. Okay, here every term has its image. Okay, therefore it is 1 function. But see here, but B and C has same image. Therefore, here it is many to 1. Okay, B and C has same image. Therefore, you have to write B has same image. Okay, B and C. Here B and C has same images. Therefore, here it is many to 1 function. Okay, next, here it is not satisfying 1. Then therefore here it is not bijective. Okay, not bijective. Not bijective का मतलब the both 1 and onto satisfy, then it is bijective. Bijective means then we can find the inverse. But here it is starting itself 1. Here it is many to 1 function came. Therefore, here it is inverse does not exist. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 11. Okay, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channels. Dhanyavad.